Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable add to cart button on collection page in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is go to your control panel of Shopify, then click on the online stores themes and click on edit theme right here. And then what you'll need to do is basically go to your catalog and right here click on the product grid. Now go to the right side to the menu. If you don't see that, just zoom a little bit, zoom out, sorry. And what you'll need to do is scroll down until you see quick add. So select one of that, standard or bulk, you can select one of those, and now you will be able to save it. And if I had this product right now, it will show you that I can add to cart. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one.